The prestigious medical entrance examination NEET has run into controversy with multiple aspirants alleging irregularities like the inflation of marks. While the NTA, the National Testing Agency that conducts the exams, has denied any controversy, things have taken a political turn and some of the aspirants have also approached various courts.
Huge controversy over the prestigious medical exam, NEET, with multiple aspirants alleging irregularities in the conduct of the 2024 undergraduate exam, whose results were declared on June 4th. 67 students shared the All India rank 1 by scoring perfect 720 out of 720 marks. And in a bizarre turn of events, the 67 toppers include 6 students from the same center in Haryana's Jhajjar.
जिस दिन से भी परिणाम आया नीट का, उसी दिन से सवाल निशान इस पे उठने लगे थे। जो परिणाम 14 जून को आना था, पहली बार ऐसा हुआ कि नीट ने अब एनटीए ने वो रिजल्ट पहले निकाला है, वो भी उसी दिन जिस दिन लोकसभा के परिणाम आए, ताकि मीडिया में उसके जो भी घोटाला कर रहे हैं उसको कवरेज ना मिल पाए। उसके बाद 720 में से 720 जो पहले किसी बार 1 या 2 मैक्सिमम 3 बच्चों के आते थे, इस बार 70 बच्चों के आ रहे हैं। वो
ग्रेस मार्क्स इतने ज़्यादा दिए हैं, जो डिजर्विंग थे वो रह गए हैं और जिनका होना भी नहीं था शायद उनका हो जाए। 4-5 अटेम्प्ट वाले भी बच्चे हैं, तो वो क्या करेंगे? उनको तो कुछ नहीं दिखेगा क्योंकि वो सोच रहे थे लास्ट चांस है, अब हो जाएगा। लेकिन काफ़ी बच्चे ऐसे डिप्रेस्ड हैं जिनके मार्क्स अच्छे हैं बट फिर भी नहीं हो पाएगा।
मेरा नाम शिवांशी है और मेरे इस साल नीट में 610 मार्क्स है और मेरी रैंक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 69,000 के अराउंड है, जो बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं है। और मैं अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 25,000 के अराउंड एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी, तो इस चीज़ पे इन्वेस्टिगेशन करनी चाहिए और हम सबको रीनीट चाहिए।
Some aspirants even moved courts, alleging paper leaks and inflation of marks by awarding Grace marks in an arbitrary manner.
Earlier today, Calcutta High Court sought a response from National Testing Agency on a plea questioning the alleged irregularities. The petitioner stated that some of the candidates could not have scored 718 or 719 out of the maximum marks of 720 as per applicable marking system.
Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra has slammed the government over the alleged irregularities and has called for an investigation. The agency in charge of conducting the exam, the NTA, has denied any wrongdoing or paper leaks, saying grace marks were awarded in some cases but as per set procedure, and that an increase in the number of candidates led to an increase in the number of toppers. But the agency's explanation has not found many takers among aspirants in Chennai. Some aspirants allege a scam to favor students from certain coaching centers.
It took the hard work of 2 years for me to achieve this. It was all because of my own hard work, my parents' support, Allen faculty's support and God.
No smartphones, no games, no films?
No smartphones, but I did play games like
Really?
yeah, board games and stuff with
Why
my
no
friends.
smartphones?
I broke it and I did not want to mend it before my NEET.
It is not clear for now if the National Testing Agency will investigate in the alleged irregularities. Will Gurpreet Singh Chinna, Bureau Report for NDTV.